and good morning. I am from FBISE URDU. My dear fellow Pakistanis, my brave soldiers, my proud youth, my fearless mothers. Today we stand in the page of history in 2025 when our enemy came with arrogance, they came with threats, they came with weapons. But they forgot. They were knocking at the doors of nation, fought in fire, built on sacrifice and protected by faith. In Quran, Allah says, they plan and Allah plans, and verily Allah is the best planner. India's aggression was loud, but our response was louder. Their mischief was reckless, but our justice was righteous. They wanted fear, we give them fire. They wanted silence, we give them answer. And that answer was called Operation Bilingual. The Marka, the battle of truth, the stand of justice, the roar of lions of Pakistan. From snow-covered heights of Karachi to the soaring plains of Balochistan, from blue waters of Karachi to the valleys of Kashmir, every inch of this land cried, "Labbaik ya Pakistan! Labbaik ya Pakistan!" Mr. President, our soldiers did not sleep, our stars did not flame, our flag did not fall. It rose higher than ever before. Martyrdom is not death, it is immortality fought with death. Mr. President, we did not fight to invade, we did not fight for power. We fought because we were attacked, and when Pakistan is attacked, whole nation becomes a soldier. Let the world know, we are not a weak nation, we are not a silent nation, we are the nation of Iman, of sacrifice, of duty, restrained by justice until provoked, and when provoked, we become a storm. Mr. President, Operation Bilingual was not just a military operation, it was a message. Touch Pakistan and you will awaken a nation of martyrs, warriors and believers. It was Pakistan's role. It was the spirit of Ghazwatul Badr in our tanks, the resolve of Karbala in our soldiers' heart, and echo of Allahu Iqbal on every front. Let our enemies listen closely. You may have larger number, but we have strength of belief. You may have louder media, but we have louder truth. You may forget your martyrs, but we built the nation on us. To our shoulder, we go ahead and raise our flag. To our soldiers, we say, you are not just protectors, you are the legends in uniform. To our people, we say, stay united, stay proud, stay unshakable. Mr. President, Operation Bilingual was the continuation of same spirit that fueled 1947. Today, the shadows return not in the form of colonizers, but in the form of those who wanted to shatter our sovereignty and challenge our world. But let me make it clear, Pakistan does not beg, Pakistan does not beg, Pakistan resists. From blood-soaked fields of Punjab to the bustling villages of Bengal, or for fathers endured partition riots, massacres and displacement. Over 2 million lives were lost. Yet they kept marching forward, not for the land, but for La ilaha illallah. This was the same spirit of sacrifice and resilience which is seen in Operation Bilingual. It was a reminder that the journey towards secure Pakistan did not end in 1947. It lives on whenever we rise to protect. And to every enemy of this land, be aware. We are peaceful, but we are not afraid. We seek peace, but we are not blind. We forgive, but we do not forget. So stand tall, O people of Pakistan. Our past gave us freedom, our future gave us purpose, and our future demands courage. Long live Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Long live the defenders of our freedom.